This is my Appreciative Inquiry slideshow. Operation Asha was an eye-opening video. I didn't realize TB was still a major concern. I also learned that Sandeep Ahuja wanted Operation Asha to be different from other organizations. He wanted to focus on low-cost measurement to provide care to the people of India affected by TB. I'm aiming to improve a process at work that will cut costs and limit ground aborts of aircraft. Ground abort is when we're going to launch it and something breaks and we have to abort the launch. I worked with my supervisor because his approval is the first hurdle in any process changes at work. I plan on testing my idea more than once, informing the pilot of the issues we were facing with the aircraft, and filling out a form to change the process and sending it to engineers so they could see all the data and approve or deny the process change. My measures of success are my supervisor seeing the data and agreeing with my proposed process change, pilot seeing the data and agreeing with the process change and becoming aware of his mess-ups while he's flying, and the engineers agreeing with my data and proposal to change the process. After all that is done, then my organization can see that we are saving money by saving time with one simple inspection. I approached my supervisor with an idea that we're spending too much time and money rushing to repair an aircraft that had ground aborted because of sheared starter shafts after its test flights. My supervisor wanted to see more info about what was going on, so I showed him an Excel file that I had made that had all the aircraft that sheared a starter shaft during test flights, which ones ground aborted on the next flight, and how much time we spent fixing each one. After he saw that data, he agreed with my proposal, and we went and talked to the pilot. The pilot agreed with the proposal, and he joined us in a meeting with engineering to showcase the data and explain the time and cost savings of the process change. While engineering agreed with my proposal, still had to fill out an official document requesting a change in process. The DoD and the Air Force don't like us using backdoors to get things done. I was surprised with how fast the change was approved, and I think having the approval of the pilot and the cost savings is what helped me accomplish this change. I learned that AI can be used at every turn in your professional life. It can adapt to most scenarios in your professional life. I also learned that I can use it in my personal life when discussing changes we want to make to our home. I plan to implement AI in the future around my home when thinking about remodels I want to do. I'll also use it more at work and try to teach my coworkers what it is and how to use it. My hopes for the future is that I learn to use the 4D method proficiently to make changes for the better in my personal and my professional life. Thank you.